Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to take a look at the original straps for the MI band 5 and 6. So I have 4 colors with me. The fifth one is the black one, which is already there on the band. So I wanted to see how good it's going to be on the MI band 6. So I've got the 6. The 5 and 6 bands are the same as the 3 and 4. They also had the same bands. So 5 and 6 also has the same one. So we'll be putting it on this and then see how good they look. So let's go ahead, unbox this and then talk more about it. Let's go. Okay, so these are the bands. So you get 5 colors in total. You get purple, navy blue, teal, orange, and then the black. So black I already had with the band itself, so I did not buy that, but you get 5 options. Now 4 of them are one-piece band and one of them is a two-piece band. Let me tell you what that means. So all these the single colored ones are one piece, so they don't have any joint anywhere, so they will not break from here. But the orange one is actually a two-piece band. So if you look here closely, you will even see the tag mark. So this is where it's been tagged, it's been stuck together. So if you want something which looks good and all, the orange one looks the best according to me. But this is not going to be very subtle. It's going to be in your face. People can notice this color from far away. And the other thing is, after some time I think this might break. I don't know as yet. I've never used it. I'll use it now, so I'll know how durable this is going to be. But if you want something which is subtle and a one-piece one, you see there's no tag mark here. It is one piece. Over here you have the tag where the orange and black actually meets. So in the end, it's your wish which color is your favorite. You can choose that. Now let's talk about the band. Let's put it on the device and see. So this is the purple one. So this is how it will look like. It's very subtle, not too flashy. Then this is the blue one, navy blue. Don't look like that. Very nice, but it's very subtle, not me. Then you have the teal. So I actually like the teal. It's different. It's not too flashy, but it's got its own charm. Depends on what kind of color preference you like. And then you have the orange, of course, the one that you will be seeing me wear. That's this one. So this is the orange one and I really like this color. So I'll be using this most of the time. In between, if this gets dirty or something, I'll keep changing. So now let's talk about the bands. And now since this is the original MI strap. So this one is for 200 and something, not 399. It's not for 400 rupees. It's for 249 or 2 something. I'll put the link below. So this is actually quite cheap. And if you want something which is skin friendly, which is hygienic, and you don't want to get rashes on your hand, then go for the original one from the company itself. You get a lot of third-party ones. Some are good, some are not so good, but with them you don't have any guarantee that it will actually fit properly, if the flexibility is good or not, and if it will be hygienic. Will you get rash or not? You have no guarantee with that. At least with this, I'm not going to say that it's never going to give you a rash, but at least it is safer. Now if you look at this, it's actually quite flexible. Like a lot of bands, aftermarket bands that I get, they're quite hard. This is nice and flexible no matter which one you choose. So with them you won't really have any problem with flexibility. So I really like the quality. Now if you want to keep the band hygienic, you don't want any rashes, it's actually a good idea to keep changing the band. So if you have more than one, at least 2 or 3 bands, you can keep changing it like you can use one while you're exercising, you can use one while you're going to office. You can keep changing it in between, so that the band remains hygienic. It gets time to be washed and dried and then used after that. So that's all, nothing much to test here. It's just a band, it's just a strap. So hopefully this helps you. Now if you have a band 5 or a band 6, both of them use the same strap. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.